You see, this is the one. Okay. When you click on edit, you got the image. Okay. Now here, choose image. You take the image which are available .NET opening cover and go here, change it to laptop because I want a laptop brand. Samsung laptop I can put. Okay. Now here I'm going to say Samsung laptop will be 60,000. Now you see in the update model, am I getting the older image? Image URL is null. See, image URL is null or not? Please guys tell me.
No.
Your image URL is null. Okay. So what I want to do, I want to get the image URL from the database based on the product ID. Where is that ID? This ID. If I pass this ID, I need to get the image URL and I need to delete this image URL from the Azure Blob Storage. We need to implement that, yes or no? Then only you are going to add a new image. Am I right?
Yeah.
Am I right or wrong? The one which we are having a .NET opening cover. First, what I need to do, I need to delete this older image from the Azure Blob Storage, and then I need to replace the existing image. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
Say yes or no, everyone. Unmute, guys. Please,
Yes.
everyone unmute.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Functionally, what I'm talking is correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what you need to do here, you need to check a condition. Okay, you need to check a condition. If the update product model image path equal to null, not equal to null, and length not equal to none, you will upload the image. Understand? If not, what you need to do?
You need to get the image file path.
You need to get the image file path in the update product model itself. You don't need to do anything, right? So here, first I will get the image file path. To get the image file path in the iProduct service, not in iProduct service, in Azure Blob service, you need to get the image file path from the iProduct service. Okay, now see, get image path. We are already implemented. Yes or no?
Yeah. Common
See,
method.
in the implementation, you got the image, right? URL you are getting, right?
From that method.
You're getting the URL. Now you are going to call this image path in the product controller string underscore image path equal to this dot underscore product service dot get image path of update product model dot ID. This guy will give you an image path. Once you receive the image path, before upload the image, do you need to delete the image? Yes or no?
From the folder we need to delete.
Completely agree with me? How many of you agree with me? Guys, unmute and talk, please. How many of you agree with me? If I get an image path, if this is coming inside, before I upload the image, what I need to do? What I need to do? Tell me.
We need to delete the existing image from the folder because
we need to delete the existing image from the folder. This dot underscore Azure blob service dot delete image async, you pass the underscore image path. I say here, since it is a void method, I'm going to use away. Am I deleting the blob? And then I'm uploading the existing image. Once I uploaded the existing image, I'm going to say that I'm going to update this one. I'm going to call the update product model. Else, what you are going to do? Else, this dot underscore product service. Suppose if I'm not uploading an image, I'm changing the other information. What I need to do? Update product model, comma, image name, comma, image URL. I'm going to pass. Okay, so this is not valid. So what do you need to do? String dot empty. I don't want to pass the string image name. I don't want to pass the URL name. Understood? Understood or not, everyone?
Sorry, sir, I did not get it. So from blob, first we are deleting.
See, if I'm not uploading an image, if I upload an image, what will happen? If the image is already available, a new image file path is you are uploading, you need to delete the image and then you need to upload the image.
Right.
Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes.
And then you will update the product into the database. This flow is correct. Suppose if you are not uploading an image, instead you are modifying some information. You won't get the image string or everything, right?
Yes.
So what do you need to do? Into the update go to implementation. You need to update the existing image URL.
Yes.
You no need to modify everything. You need to update the existing URL and existing image name. Am I right?
Yes, as it is.
As it is, you need to pass. But here, if you look into the product controller, this guy is null. These two guys are null. So what do you need to do? You need to update this from the database. Okay, go back to the update product, go to definition. Some logical thing we need to do. What logical thing? You got the image path. Image path alone is not satisfied. You need the URL of the image as well. This is the image URL. So that you need to get the image name. You need an image name. So what to do? To get the image name, you need to go to update, go to the implementation. So here, if image name URL equal to string dot empty and image name equal to string dot empty, assume. Okay. Can I get the product model for the ID? Product model products equal to this dot product repository dot products dot where e dot id equal to model dot id dot first star default. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this. So I got a products. Now once I got a products in the model, I'm going to check a condition if underscore products, if products equal to not equal to null means you are going to update model dot image name. What are a lot of things are there. Image data. Model dot image name, image URL. So go here. I don't need all these things. I remove string here. Image name equal to string dot empty. So what happened? This guy will be come here. Now you go here. Image name equal to products dot image name model dot image URL products dot image URL. Okay. So this is okay. Else here I'm going to say else. I copy these two. I say image name. Image URL. Copy. Paste. Okay, image URL. So what will happen? Here I say model dot image URL. Here I say model dot image name. Okay. You understand this code? How many of you understand this code, this path? Logic building. Anjali, Vivek, Ajit, Srinivas Rao, Prasanna. Do you all understand this code? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Guys, please confirm.
Yes.
Do you understand the flow? Okay.
Please repeat one more time, sir.
Who's that?
Please repeat one more time.
Srinivas Rao. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
See, let me put a breakpoint. I will show you the flow so that you will understand. See, I am running a project. Understood? See, I am going and editing. What will happen? You get the image which is coming from the blob storage, everything, say yes or no. Now what you are going to do, you are going to change the cover. And here you say laptop, and here you have to say laptop. This is the info we need to update in the database. When you are purchasing a laptop, the laptop value is 55,000. When you click, you see first what happened, the update model will have an image name. Do you have an image name and URL? Say yes or no. Guys, please say whether you are having an image name and URL. I want answer from you. Please
No,
unmute.
it is not there.
Everyone. So what you need to do, you need to get the image path. Why I need this image path? Before I have to complete the image path, I need to delete the existing image. So I require an image path. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the image path from the database. Now you got the image path. You got the image path. And then I'm going to check the condition. If the image file path upload is null, then you need to delete it. Now come here. Am I deleting the image? See, image is deleted. Let's go to see that Azure Blob Storage. Yeah. I'm logging into the auth. Go back to my ITAS practice. In this ITAS practice, let me go to the containers. This is my storage. Now in this storage, I have a container. Under the container, you see product image. Now see, the image is deleted. Blob is not deleted. Why? Go to definition. iProduct service. Go to controller, right click. Go to set to next statement. Where is that? Set next statement. Now I have an image path. Go in. Oh, I need to pass the image name, not the path. Under iProduct service, you should have get image name. Okay. You need an image name. So go to your iProduct service. Where is my iProduct service? This is the service. You say get image path. You say here get image name. So what you need to do here, you pass the image name. Okay. Now you got the image name? Yes or no? Yes or no? You are passing a GUID. This GUID will get the image name. That image name you are going to pass here as a delete method. Now says here to say you change this as name. So you got the image name. Save all, run a project. Logging into my portal. Okay. ITAS practice. In the storage container, go here inside. Okay. Now go back to you remove this guy. Run this project. See, I got an ID. Okay. Now this ID is returning me an image name. You got the image name? Say yes or no. You got the image name here? Everyone.
Right.
And I'm going in and I'm going to the blob delete async. Here I'm going to get the blob client. See, now the blob client is deleted. Now you go here, you see this name. You see this name, refresh, your blob client will be replaced. You got the replacement? 7/6/10/31 replacement has happened. Yes or no?
Right.
Everyone. Now what I want to do? I want to replace this image name, image URL, F11. You come here. If this is empty and this name is empty, I'm coming here, I'm going to replace the name and URL. And I'm going to update that back to the database. You see image is replaced and deleted. Yes or no? Everyone.
Yes. So for
Yeah.
blob deleting and then adding is the solution.
Yes. You need to
So
delete the blob. Something which is already available in the database, you need to replace the image. When your image replacing, if you are not delete the blob in Azure, what will happen? It will keep on incrementing, right? Which is not at all used by you. Am I right or wrong?
Okay. It will not place in that place. Instead, if we have A image, then we are updating B. So it will not replace A.
No. It will not replace. Only the database you have to update. You need to
Okay.
delete and replace.
Okay.
Yeah, because it will create a GUID, right? That we don't actually.
Yes.
Mhm.
Whenever you are uploading a new image, you are creating a new GUID for that. You cannot replace. Okay. Understood?
Yeah, now
Ashok?
got it. For GUID. Yeah.
Yeah. Ashok, understand? Srinivas Rao, Vivek. Now,
Right.
let me do one more thing. I'm not going to change my image. I'm going to change this part. I'm going to say here 5,000 instead of 23,000, something like that. Okay. Now, when I update, you see the product model doesn't have a name and URL. So what I want to do, I'll first get the image name. You see, I got an image name. File path is null. File path.length is null. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to call the update as a string. Now, when you come here, you see my image name is null. My image file path is null. So I'm checking a condition. If the URL and name is null, I'm going to get the product, update these two information in the model. This model is going to map the data. Now you see. You got the product? You got the product or not? You see the image URL, image name, both are coming. Say yes or no. I want answer from you. Now it got updated. Now what you are going to do? New product model is a null where you are going to pass the image name, product cost. The cost is not going to vary. Everything has been replaced on that, and I'm going to make a change. Cannot be tracked because another instance of ID is already being tracked when attach entity. This issue we are already fixed. What does it mean? You have to detach and attach. Where we are doing that detach and attach? Somewhere we are doing detach and attach. Yeah, this is the one. You have to detach. What to do? Before you have to detach and then attach. Then you make an update. Run it. I did now. Context.entry, entity.state. I'm using that now. Then what is the problem? Okay, I need to detach this guy. So I need to detach this and then update. I think most of you know this. Probably Ajit and Anjali may not aware of this. Am I right?
Yes.
I'll tell you why. Tino, you understand, right? Prasanna, Vivek, Ashok.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, what happened is this product already mapped, tightly coupled with the context or not? This object. Say yes or no. When you query the data, this product object is tightly mapped with the context. Anjali and Ajit.
Yes.
So what we are going to do, we are going to tell that detach the state. Now you see the state is detached. Once the state of that particular repository detached, I can create a new model. I'm going to update that model. That's what happening. See, happening or not? Now see, data is modified. Image not changed. Now when you go back to the edit, go and change the image. Only image you are changing. Let's do update. Modified. Modified the image.
Yes.
Yes or no? Now you see 8.3 of GUID had been changed. See, GUID changed. Everybody, please confirm. Am I audible?
Yes, yes. So there
Clear?
is a column access tier.
Come again.
Access tier is the column there. So what is the use of that path is there?
Access tier, I'm not aware of it. Basically, this is the change access. This is the tier we are going to define. Okay. I really don't know what is the purpose of this access tier. Okay. Clear now? Anybody have any questions? Feel free to ask. I will answer. Now I'm clicking on logout. Now log out the application, go back. Now, sir, I made everything perfect in this particular project. Now, do I need to get the proper value from this API user? Say yes or no. Yes or no. Now, let's build the API user. We need to fix the issue of API. Whatever we fixed UI is working fine. Now let's see, API user will have some issues. We need to start fixing that from tomorrow. Now go down, let's get all, you see, I'll get an issue. It will throw an error. You see, am I right? Things are getting errored or not?
Yeah.
We need to fix this. We need to fix this. What is the fix? Invalid column name image file path. From where we are getting this invalid column name image file path? Go back to the solution. Go to your core. Under a model, product model, you see what is the issue. This email file path we have to remove. Okay, and then go back to here in the model, product model. You see, these two things you have to bring there. Because these two things are storing in the DB, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So now you got the data from the database. Let me do one thing, save all, right click, close all tabs. Okay, now where and all this file has been referred, we need to start fixing it. How to fix that? Where and all this file is using? Product model. You see, I fixed it. Okay, now save all. Now go here. Let's go back to your services, not services, I brand services, not required. In the application, go to handler. You see, get all product query. Here, in the mapper, you need to properly map the data. You see, image file path is having a problem. Yes or no? Yes or no? Come on, guys, answer me.
Right. Yeah.
Image file path has a problem. Now, what I want to do, right click, go to definition. So, what do you need to do here? You need to modify image URL as a string nullable, something like this, and then string nullable. What do you need to do? Image name. Okay, now go back in the handler, right click, go to definition. What do you need to do, ma? Product dot image name, product dot image URL. Understood? Now save all, build the solution. So I'm putting a breakpoint here. In this, what is the definition? Oh, product model request. This one we need to work later point of time. Again, try to build. It will throw a problem in update also. Yeah, it's done. Now try to run it. Come down, go to get all products, try out, execute. You see, you got the data? Say yes or no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got the entire information. You see the blob name, everything. Image URL, image name, everything is coming. Something wrong. Why image name is coming different from the image URL? Some mapping is wrong in the front end. Yes. Go back. Image name, image URL, correct only. String image name, string image URL. This is also correct only. Okay, go to update. Image name, image URL. This is also correct. Then where is the issue? Put a breakpoint here. Not this guy, this guy. See, I'm getting the model. Image URL, image name is correct here. Mapping here. That from the database, it is coming correctly. Where is my product mapper? Here, the mapper is having a problem. Product DTO, go to definition. Okay, first URL, then name. So that is the reason. So come down, it should replace. Page, home, cut, paste. Sequence is more important for DTO. Okay? Understand? First, I need to pass the name and URL. Now go down, run it. Anjali, you feel awkward? Not able to understand?
No,
Anjali.
sir. Understanding.
Huh?
Yeah, getting it. I have done like this code before.
Come again?
Yeah, getting it means it is not that much difficult for me.
You see, now I'm creating a product with the proper data. Now pass the data. You see, image name, image URL. Mapping is proper. You got the data? When you click download, you get a JSON. This is how the JSON comes into identify. Clear, ma? Perfect, right? Ashok, Ajit, Srinivas, Anjali, please confirm, unmute and talk.
Yep.
Got the point or not? Now, sir, tomorrow I am planning to create image from here. How do I do that? That we will discuss tomorrow. I'm going to upload an image from my API here. How do I do that? We'll discuss tomorrow. Okay?
Yeah.
Understand or not? From the API level, I'm going to upload an image. That image will go and store in the DB. In the Azure Blob Storage, we will fix it from the create product command handler. Here I'm going to upload the image. Let's see how the image is going to store in the Azure Blob Storage. Clear my point? Once we've done that, we are going to deploy both front-end application and this application into Azure within this weekend, so that we will see this entire end-to-end testing by end of the week by using Azure. That is my intention. My goal is to completely moving this particular project into Azure. This week and next week mid will be the very serious for us. Once we successfully done that, I don't think rest all is simple. Okay? Shall we do that?
Okay.
Yes.
Everybody.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So that we are almost near to the all the concepts. Only thing is pending is RabbitMQ, API gateway, building few other services. That code we can build at any point of time. Let's build this one, deploy into production. We'll do that. Okay. Cool. How many of you agree? How many of you agree with this point?
Agree, sir.
Yeah, sir. Sir, how much code
Agree.
we are deploying? Means
Come
only
again?
only creating, updating product is the code we are deploying.
Yes, we are planning to deploy.
Okay.